Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be drawing dreadlocks. This is actually my own method of drawing dreadlocks. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing right now is shading. Once you're done shading, make sure you shade properly. So once you're done shading, you go in with blending. You can use any blending materials that you have that you're comfortable using. So once you're done blending, then right now I'm using my pencil, my eraser pencil, to highlight the highlighted areas. So after doing that, you can use any highlighting materials that you have. So after doing that, I'm using my charcoal pencil to go in to define the darker areas and also to make the highlighted areas more defined, as you can see right now. So once you're doing this, it depends on your reference picture anyways, because this is how my reference picture looks like, and make sure you're using a reference picture to get what you're drawing. And so the next thing I'll be doing right now again is to blend. Once I'm done blending, you see me going in again to shade. So make sure you shade the darker area properly so you can get more defined highlighted areas. That's going to make it look more like a dreadlocks. Do you understand? To make it look more, you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So after doing this, I blended again with my blending Stump. You can use any blending materials that you have. So right now I'm using the powdered charcoal to shade again, because I wasn't quite satisfied with the just using the pencil. So as you can see, there's difference compared to when I actually started. So keep doing it until you're satisfied, until it's looking like your reference picture. So anyways, this is going to be a very short video. I just want to share my own method of drawing your dreadlocks, and I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be dropping the full video of this actual drawing, of this particular drawing. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly please subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified